Hi guys, in this tutorial I wanna set up the installation of the Cesium, the Unreal Engine 5.7. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, open the editor. Create new project. Select the personal template. Rename the project Cesium Setup. Hit create. Okay, now let's go here to the content drawer. After that, open the Fab Marketplace. Search for Cesium for Unreal. Okay, we have the first one. Cesium for Unreal. Now click this button, add to my library. Once it's opened, okay, view in my library. Where is this Cesium for Unreal? Add to my project. It takes some time to download. There is a problem. The downloading is not beginning. Okay, how to fix this problem? It is we have a second a way to fix this. Okay, press this button, view in my library. Okay, where is this one? Okay, add to my project is not works. Okay, now let's go here. Where is the? Let's go here to this sensor. Now let's go to this fab. Again, let's search for the Cesium in my library. Where is this one? Cesium. Okay, press this button, install plugin. Install. This takes some time to install in the engine. Okay, fine. The downloading is finished. Now let's return here to this one, close the fab marketplace, and let's go to the edit. Let's search for the Cesium. Okay, we have not the Cesium. To fix this problem, you must restart the engine. Close this, and let's restart it. My project. Oh, okay, look at this. We have new plugins notification. Okay, let's go here to plugins and search for the Cesium. Take this one and restart the engine. Now I have the Cesium for Unreal here. Okay, let's press this button, connect to the Cesium Ion. Okay, once it's opened, you have to sign in with your Epic Game account or your Google account, or you have not an account, new Cesium Ion. Okay, let's create an account. Sign up with your email. You click this next button. To the username, I want to choose this username. Okay, I want to choose a password. LEKU. Verify your email. Okay, let's go to my Gmail. Okay. The problem the Cesium for the Cesium website or the Cesium server is not sent the code right here. Okay, to get the code, we have to go here to the more and go to spam folder and copy this one. And let's return here and copy and paste this code. Verify. Okay, fine. Now let's verify this by pressing enter. Okay, it's fine. Now let's return here to the engine. And let's go here to the token. Press this button. Okay, default token used in my project. After that, let's create a new level. Choose empty level for this tutorial. And go here to the Google for realistic 3D tiles. Like this. And go here only with all of those. Okay, I think it's fine. Okay, now let's move to the next step. Is to go here to the Cesium reference and set the origin latitude and the origin longitude from the Google Map API. But the problem, we are not have Google Map API. How to do that for free? You go to the Google Map, choose New York, for example. Okay, let's go here for the EBB for Corp in the Brooklyn, for example, the street, and copy these coordinates. Now, let's go right here and paste the coordinates and press enter. Press enter. This is for the north and this is the west. Okay, this is north and this is west. Let's copy and paste all of those. First one, copy, paste right here, return right here, copy all of those, copy, and paste, and press enter. Okay, fine. But problem is not change side here. Okay, how to fix that? First of all, you have to save the level. Okay, after saving the level, it must be changed, but the problem is not changing. How to fix this problem is to go here to the origin height and set it to 0. 0. Okay, the problem is not fixed. Let's verify those coordinates. It's good, and let's go right here. Okay. After that, place your reference origin right here. After making this, place this button. I think the problem is fixed. Okay, this is Brooklyn. Okay, thank you guys for watching. That's all for this tutorial.